Right, good evening ladies and gentlemen. It is very late at night, it's like 10 to 11, quite late at night. So in the all programs and options video that I uploaded a couple of days ago, I did all programs and options on the dial. Here I'm going to do all programs, there are a few options on here, and all programs and options in the app. So this is all your Wi-Fi stuff. So we've got, these are the standard stuff, so this is standard of what's on the actual dial, and this is everything I went through on the Antiology. I don't think was on the dial, I don't think, but extra hygiene was, no, extra hygiene wasn't, was it? I can't remember, but yeah, all of this as well is standard, and in the app even tells you in the app how long each cycle is, which is really good. So we're going to head over to extras, which is where this is really the more where all your other options are. So we've got bathrobe. This is automatically set to extra dry. There you do get other options. You will notice that you will get other levels of dryness in here. I don't think you can have anti-crease. No, can't have anti-crease or best ironing. No. And this cycle, oh shit, where did we go? There is 3 hours 50. You will notice how all of these here are about 3 hours 50, 3 hours 40, 2.5 hours, 2 hours, 2 piece length 90, so that's 1 hour 40, 130 minutes, 2 hours 30. They all adjust the time. So this cycle I used on the last set of bedding, and it took 1 hour and 22 minutes. Yes, just 1 hour and 22 minutes. So it didn't actually take 3 hours 40 or 3 hours 51, I think it initially sensed as 3 hours 51. But anyway, tablecloths. So different options then, so you get a different option, but in some of them you get all 4 in here, and you can highlight. Only in some do they only have 1 box selected. So wardrobe dry, don't think, nope, can't have anti-crease, and you can't have best ironing either. This app is really stupid. Anti-mites, so again, just straight up extra dry on this one. No anti-crease and no best ironing. I'm doing this all from my phone screen. Oh, piss off. There we go. Bed linen, extra dry straight away. No anti-crease, no best ironing. Curtains, so this is just hanger dry. No anti-crease on this one. No. It's really annoying, you have to go into that every time. Delicate tablecloths. No anti-crease, only select hanger dry. No. Backpacks. You can actually, so in this one, backpacks is an interesting one, because in this one I can actually select the time. In some of the others you get different time. On this one it's just straight up 90 minutes. No anti-crease, no best ironing. Duvets. This will fit double in at a push, a double duvet at a push. No anti-crease, no best ironing, and extra dry straight up. Delicate's Antiology. I used this cycle 2 days ago. yeah, very good cycle on that, and no options, and it's hanger dry only. Specials, so we're into the specials now. Denim, jeans, but I don't really get why, because you already have a dark and denim already on in the normal part, but yeah, a bit weird, because you have a jeans up here, so why would you want, I don't get why you would have denim jeans, but okay. Baby drying, no options there. Wardrobe dry. Easy iron cotton, iron dry. It's amazing, you can't have any of these options, that's insanity. Where were we? Shirts, hanger dry, no anti-crease, no best ironing. Gym fitness, no. And that cycle time is on that one 2.5 hours. Lingerie, 2.5 hours. No options on that. There are a lot of programs on here. Technical fabrics. No. Design with technical fabrics without compromising their elastic. I can't pronounce that at like 11 o'clock at night. You know me, I can't speak today. Swimsuits and bikinis. No other options. Hanger dry. Easy play suits. No. And hanger dry again. Easy iron. Syntex. No. Synthetics. The stupid thing. Cuddly toys. No, straight up no. You don't even get any time on that. Warm embrace. No. Dehumidify. Only 30 minutes on that and no other options. Regenerates waterproof. 30 minutes and no other options. There are some, I will show you a couple of the options where you can actually have the easy iron feature and the anti-crease and best ironing. Air refresh is 30 minutes. No other options. So that's all the extras, and then you've got the in time stuff in here. So you've got whites, synthetics, rapid. Now you actually, there you go, you can actually select what you want out of there. No, I believe on Eco Cotton you can have, no, whites. Yeah, so on whites you can select here iron dry, wardrobe or extra, and you can have anti-crease on whites, and you can also have best ironing on whites. Jeans can't. Darks and colours can have anti-crease, and you can have best ironing. So only on some of them will you get it, but not every single one. But yeah, so there we go, that's all programs and different times in the app. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.